coach a lot of people, and they're
Mm-hmm.
all over the nation. Sometimes you have MLS, and sometimes you don't. The reality is, PropStream is the service you use. And then if you want to maybe quickly go through one more, just I know for the sake of time, but I know this is so valuable, bro. Appreciate you doing this.
Yeah, man, no problem at all. Let's see. Do you have any suggestions, or you just want me to pull one?
Yeah, just pull one.
All right. So here's going to be another rural one. The reason I like doing the rural ones is because it's so competitive now in the city, right? People have a hard time getting deals in the city. Wholesalers, new wholesalers, and not knocking anybody. It's just what it takes to underwrite those deals and know what is a deal in Chicago, where all the lower end properties. So we see deals like this all the time come through. This is the ones that we actually do a lot of trainings in our office on, deals like this, right? Like this is kind of crazy for a lot of people. So
is that closer to Philly for the big city? Is that closer to Pittsburgh or Philly? There's Philly.
I mean, it's closer to Philly.
Yeah.
But Pittsburgh's way over there. We got Easton. So at first I got this, and the first thing I do is pull it up on the map. All right, so we're in the middle of nowhere. Let's take a look. What makes this a deal? Why did the contract come through? Right. So I get a little photo view right here. You guys know I have to go through and put a little PA population. 4,000. Not great, right?
Not great.
So here's the next thing I'm going to do. Anytime you have a low population, well, now I need to know how far is it away from the nearest city. Easton being the biggest city. Okay, 30-minute drive. How big is Easton? 27,000, right? So then I click on this. So 27,000 right here, but it's only this. So don't let that be the end of your search on population. Metro. This is really important. A lot of people overlook this step. It's these little things that will help. Metro population. That's Reading. Oops. Okay, so I guess this is considered Lehigh Valley. No, it's not. That's considering everything. Eastern PA Metro. All right, I'll go over this later. I did it last time. Usually I make my searches pretty quick.
I think everyone's getting the gist, right? They want to make sure that you have enough, right? So now let's just jump in, start comping the property.
Yeah, and that's over 100,000 people, just so you guys know.
So when you get the whole metro area, it jumped it over 100 grand.
So we're 30 minutes away from over 100,000 people. That was okay. All right. That was enough for me to say, okay, the location's doable.
That's right.
Right. Now I put this in here. Details, comps. You're gonna go back. You're not gonna find a lot of comps. Like, take a look at this, right? Because it's a little rural. So I got one property right here. It's multifamily on the other side of this road. I'm not going to use it because of that. I'm just going to go back further.
Love it.
I don't like doing this, but I only do it when I have to. And I got nothing.
Holy hell. Rural.
Yeah, rural, right? Nothing. So you got this property, rural residential. I just want to take a look at it. Sold cash, 1,800 square feet. I mean, that's still nothing, right? Nothing like what our property looks like. And I'll pull it up again so you guys just see that view. And I'll share why I'm going over this one.
Yep.
This is actually a really good deal. right? So here's the street view. So that last one is nothing like ours.
Yeah.
It's a 3-1.5, 1628 square feet. All this is actually correct. 1 acre, 1969 build. I thought there was going to be more on this on PropStream. There's not. So I'll just share like real quick, guys. Like you have to do a little bit of digging to find these deals, to make it to find the numbers, right? I still got nothing on Zillow. These are for sales. So I went through all these already, right? I went all through these. I went through these. I know what our house looks like. It looks similar to this house.
Right. Perched up on a little bit of hill.
And we're close to this. We're 3-1.5, 1,600 and something square feet. This has got a quarter acre more. And take a look at these photos. Outdated.
Nothing special at all.
Right? Look what it sold for.
Jeez.
And I always do this. I always go down to the price and say, okay, how it was listed in May and it sold 2.5 months later at full ask.
Yep.
In this area, looking like this. So that makes me think, what's going on here? This is not even an updated house. It's similar. So I get on the phone with a realtor, and here's one that sold at 1,300 for 170. I get on the phone with a realtor, right? And I call and say, hey, got this house under contract. Can you tell me about this area? She said it's hot. It's in high demand. People die in these houses. They will not move. So if I get a listing here, I'm jumping for joy. Reason being is all the people that are commuting to New York, they're driving an hour and a half, but from Long Island to Manhattan, it's an hour and a half, right? So she said something will sell quick for 200 grand, 185, 190, and we got it for 120, as is, not having to do anything. So we're just going to throw it up on the MLS. But what it took is I had to find something that's similar, and I found something that's telling me this is for 220. She thinks ARV is 220, and we got it for 120. So these are those rural deals. These are the deals that are going to be more frequent for you guys if you're doing nationwide marketing, in my opinion. These are where we find success, because if you're in the areas where all the competition is, you're going to lose. You're going to lose to people showing up at their houses and outbidding you every time. And if you outbid yourself, then a buyer's not going to buy it, right?
That's it. Dude, this has been incredible. I really, really appreciate you spending some time with me, the Science Flipping Tribe, dude. Like I've been talking a lot about PropStream lately because it's just so good. And, I coach a lot of people, and, they're all over the nation. Sometimes you have MLS and sometimes you don't. The reality is PropStream is the service you use. Just for those listening or watching, I brokered a deal with PropStream. You can get it for free for 14 days. I'll give you the link. It'll be somewhere in the video / comments. You can get it for free. But, dude, I really appreciate you helping advise and show exactly how arguably the largest wholesaler in the nation uses PropStream. Comps properties.
Yeah, man, I'm glad I can share. It's fun. We enjoy doing it. We enjoy looking at the properties, right? And anytime we sell one like these, it's just another big win. It feels really good to sell something, and we're trying to mark off all 50 states right now. We're trying to hit Alaska, Hawaii, then hopefully, soon in other countries. But yeah, it's definitely fun. I hope you guys,
now.
Hope you guys got some value. PropStream, if you don't have it, you need it. If there's one tool that I would be having a fit about if I didn't have it at this point, is PropStream, for sure. It's necessary for this business, I think, at this point.
No doubt. Best tool in the business. There's no doubt about it. 100%.
Yep.